Today, I am reviewing the Anycubic Kobra X Multicolor 3D printer. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. When you first unbox the Kobra X, the physical build quality immediately stands out, especially if you're used to the flimsy, stamped steel frames common in the budget sector. Anycubic has built this machine on a heavily reinforced chassis featuring thick machined aluminum profiles. It has a substantial weight of nearly 10 kilograms, which gives the entire XC gantry massive stability. Dual Z-axis lead screws are belted at the top and driven smoothly, which completely eliminates gantry sag. The build volume is a spacious 260 millimeters cubed, giving you a noticeable size advantage over standard 220 millimeter beds. The print surface uses a textured, double-sided PI spring steel flex plate mounted on a thick aluminum bed plate redesigned to resist thermal warping. The absolute crown jewel of the Kobra X is the ACE Gen 2 multi-material system, and Anycubic did something genuinely radical here. Instead of forcing you to use a massive, separate external box that hogs all your desk space and requires complex multi-tube routing, they miniaturized the multicolor selector and integrated it directly into the toolhead itself. 4 filaments feed directly into a compact, top-mounted spool assembly running straight into the printhead. Under the hood, a motor-driven camshaft dynamically switches mechanical gates to grip only the active filament. Because the internal filament cutter is positioned a mere 10 millimeters away from the nozzle, the printer only needs to retract the old filament by 30 millimeters before loading the new color. This short travel distance changes the game for multicolor efficiency. On a standard external multi-material system, color changes can take 90 seconds or more because the filament has to travel all the way back down a long Bowden tube. The Kobra X completes a full cut, swap, and purge sequence in roughly 35 seconds. On a complex model with hundreds of color transitions, this structural optimization slashes your total print times in half and reduces material waste by over 80% compared to older external systems. It completely redefines budget multicolor printing by making it fast and efficient rather than a painful, day-long waste of plastic. In terms of raw speed and performance, the Kobra X is a beast. It boasts a maximum printing speed of 600 millimeters per second and an acceleration rate of 20,000 millimeters per second squared. To put that in perspective, a standard boat Benchy benchmark model prints flawlessly in just about 14 minutes using the default slicing profile. To handle the high volumetric flow rates required at these extreme speeds, the toolhead comes standard with a high durability hardened steel nozzle and a hotend that reaches 300 degrees Celsius. Having a hardened steel nozzle straight from the factory is an incredible addition because it means you can print abrasive filaments like carbon fiber blends or glow-in-the-dark PLA immediately without worrying about wearing out your hardware. Furthermore, the Kobra X features an adaptive extrusion force compensator. Because the direct drive extruder can actively adjust its gripping force based on filament hardness, you can actually mix rigid and flexible materials in the exact same print job. I tested a multi-material print combining rigid PLA with flexible TPU, and the transition boundaries were shockingly clean and mechanically sound. This opens up an entire world of prototyping possibilities for functional makers who need soft-touch grips or flexible hinges integrated directly into rigid plastic parts. The user experience for beginners is incredibly streamlined, largely thanks to the LeviQ 3.0 automatic bed leveling system. When you initiate the setup wizard on the 3.5-inch color touchscreen, the machine runs a comprehensive 49-point calibration mesh. It uses advanced modeling algorithms to calculate bed flatness down to a fraction of a millimeter, completely eliminating the need for manual Z-offset calibration or physical leveling knobs. It also runs a built-in vibration compensation test using internal accelerometers, which effectively eliminates ghosting and ringing artifacts on your outer print walls. From unboxing to printing your very first flawless layer, the entire setup takes less than 15 minutes. Anycubic has also packed this machine with smart monitoring features. The top-mounted frame includes an HD AI camera that provides a live video feed via the Anycubic app or desktop slicer. The camera handles automatic spaghetti detection and foreign object detection, pausing the machine instantly if a print detaches from the bed or if a tool is left on the build plate. It also tracks filament runout and filament entanglement. The motion mechanics run on low-noise stepper drivers, keeping operational volume at an incredibly quiet 45 decibels, which is quiet enough to run overnight in a home office without being disruptive. For connectivity, the dual-band Wi-Fi supports both 2.4 and 5 GHz signals, alongside a traditional local area network connection. The remote control functionality via the Anycubic app is rock solid, giving you full access to a massive cloud library of printable models. Ultimately, the Anycubic Kobra X is a stellar achievement in consumer 3D printing. By integrating a rapid, low-waste 4-color system directly into a highly rigid, high-speed toolhead, they have stripped away the friction, waste, and desktop clutter that used to plague multi-material printing. It is incredibly fast, brilliantly automated, and priced perfectly for beginners, schools, and professional makers alike. It receives my absolute highest, definitive recommendation.